Hi there, Mr. Muhammed is here. I'm doing a lot of math questions from grade 12 scientific math. I hope my tutorials can support you. Check out my other videos, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Feel free to ask me any questions at any time. Let's start. This is question 52. Temperature conversion. Water boils at 100 Celsius, which is 212 Fahrenheit. The question says find a linear equation that expresses the relationship between the temperature in degrees of Celsius and degrees of Fahrenheit. And then it says convert 72 degrees Fahrenheit to degrees Celsius. To start this question, at the beginning the question looks weird, but it's not. Just imagine these two numbers, because they are related, as one point. So 100, 212, this is a point, and the other point is 0, 32. Okay, now we have 2 points. When we have 2 points, it's easy to find the linear equation. Firstly, we're going to find the slope, and then we input the slope with one of these points into the general form of the linear equation, and then here we go. Let's start. To find the slope first, when we have 2 points, the slope is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. x2 minus x1. What do we have? Here, let's consider these ones as x2, y2 and these two as x1, y1. It's also right if you consider these two as x2 and y2 and these two as x1 and y1. But this one looks easier. It's easier if you say 212 minus 32 over 100 minus 0. 212 minus 32 is equal to 180, and 100 minus 0 is still 100. This is the slope for the linear equation that passes through these 2 points. We can simplify this, or you can just leave it as fraction. Now we have the slope, we have points, so easily we can get the equation of the line. Y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1. y1 and x1, you are free which point you use. This point looks easier, let's use it. Y minus y1 there is 32 equals the slope. I prefer to write the slope as fraction all the time. X is a variable minus the x1 is 0. Let's simplify this. This 32 is negative, it goes to the other side, it will be positive. Y equals 180 over 100. X 0 is nothing, it goes to the other side, means plus 32. So this is the equation of the line that passes through these 2 points. Now, the first part done, find the linear equation. We found the linear equation, and then when we have 72 Fahrenheit, if we look back here, we chose the Celsius degrees as x's and the Fahrenheit as y's in both points. So when the question says 72 degrees Fahrenheit, we're going to put this 72 in place of y, because we put Fahrenheit as y. To do this, 72 is equal to 180 over 100 x plus 32. All we have to do, we need to find the value of x, because we chose x as the Celsius degree. Then this 32 here is positive. Send it to the other side because we need to have y alone, x alone on a side. And see, we're gonna send this 32 to the other side. So it will be negative 72 minus 32 is equal to 40 equals 180 over 100 x. Again, this 32 went to the other side, it became negative, then 72 minus 32, 40. To get rid of this 100, we're going to multiply both sides by 100, so it will be 4000 here, and here will be 180. And we are dividing, so simply we are multiplying both sides by the opposite of this fraction, which is 100 over 180. Why? Because this 180 gonna cancel this 180, this 100 gonna cancel this one, and this fraction appears on the other side. So 40 times 100 is 4000 over 180 equals x. 4000 over 180 equals x. If we simplify this fraction, we will get the value of x. 1 0 will be cancelled with 1 0. 400 over 18. 400 over 18. If we divide it by 2 will be 200. Divided by 2 will be 9. 200 over 9. 200 divided by 9 is equal to 200 divided by 9 is equal to 22.22. So for simplicity, let's just say when the value is 72 Fahrenheit, so x is equal to 22.22 plus 32. So 72 degrees Fahrenheit is nearly 54.22. Thanks for watching.